guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about a two-step solution for those pesky dark circles under your eyes. Both these steps contains a very special ingredient, which is potato, as potatoes works best in treating dark circles, dark spots and pigmentation. So if you have pigmentation around your eyes or if you have those stubborn dark circles, then this combination will definitely help to remove it. So these two steps contains a potato under eye mask and the other one is the potato under eye cream. So firstly, let's see how to prepare this homemade potato under eye mask. So the first ingredient which we need to make this home remedy is potato juice. So to prepare this, we firstly gonna need a potato. And now we have to grate this potato, and for that I'm using this small grater and I'm just grating the potato really nicely. And after finally grating the potato, now we have to strain this grated potato. And for that I'm using a strainer and a bowl, and I'm just putting all this finely grated potato into a strainer and now just squeezing all the potato juice out of it. And after squeezing all the potato juice from the grated potatoes, your potato juice will look something like this. And here I've took 3 to 4 teaspoons of potato juice in a clean bowl. After that you're gonna need honey, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey into it. Next up, you're gonna need vitamin E oil, and if you don't have this oil, then you can also use the capsules which are easily available in the market. And here I'm adding half a teaspoon of this vitamin E oil into it. And if you're using the capsules, then you have to use 3 to 4 capsules of vitamin E oil. And after adding all these 3 ingredients, now you just have to mix them really nicely so that they all combine with each other well and makes a smooth paste. And after mixing all these ingredients well, your home remedy is ready, and it should look something like this. It should be a runny paste because it will be easier to use them with the eye mask. Now let's prepare the eye patches or the eye mask. So for that I'm just taking these cotton pads which you can easily find in the market. So I've just took 2 cotton pads and now I'm just going to fold them like this. And now I'm just cutting them from the middle so that it creates 4 eye masks. And after that, your homemade eye patches are ready and it will look something like this. Now we just have to dip these eye patches or the eye mask into this mixture and just let them sit there for around 3 to 4 minutes so that these cotton patches could soak this home remedy well. And after 1 or 2 minutes, when all the goodness have been absorbed by these cotton patches, just take them out from this mixture and apply it on the desired areas. You can apply these patches under your eyes or over your eyes really gently. And as I told you, you can also use them on the dark spots or wherever you have darkness, or if you have pigmentation or hyperpigmentation problem, then also you can use these patches on your hyperpigmented areas. And after applying them gently, just let it sit there for around 20 or 25 minutes. And after 15 to 20 minutes, just remove them, and within just few uses of this home remedy, you will see that how beneficial and how fastly this home remedy works. And now let's move on to the second home remedy for the dark circles, which is the under eye cream. And to prepare this cream, we firstly gonna need potato juice. So here I'm just taking approx 2 teaspoons of potato juice into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need coconut oil, and here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil into it. Now after adding the coconut oil, you're gonna need vitamin E oil, and here I'm just adding half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. And after adding the vitamin E oil, just mix all these 3 ingredients slightly so that they all combine with each other well. And now lastly, you're gonna need Vaseline, and here I'm taking 1 big tablespoon of Vaseline and adding it into this mixture. And after adding it, just mix everything really well so that it makes into a smooth gel form consistency. After mixing everything really well, your homemade under eye gel is ready, and it should look like this, and the consistency of this cream should be really smooth, gel-like and fluffy as I'm showing you in the video. So this under eye cream or gel is really effective in treating your dark circles, puffy eyes and the pigmentation around your eyes. And to store this under eye gel is supremely easy. Just store this into an airtight container. Just use this under eye cream twice or thrice in a day to completely get rid of that pigmentation and the darkness around your eyes. It really works well for the under eye dark circles. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.